Good evening everyone, I am D. Tejashni from Mechanical Department. So today's topic is single phase and three phase induction motor. So under this we will learn what is inductor, types of inductor, single phase induction motor, its construction and working, three phase induction motor, its construction and working, and applications of both the single phase induction motor and three phase induction motor. Basic working principle of inductor. So if you look at this picture over here, there is a core material. Around this core material, there is a coil. When the current flows from the through the core material, this electrical energy is converted into magnetic field. This is a working principle of the inductor. So next we will look at types of the induction motor. So basically this induction motor is divided into two types, one single phase and three phase. Again this single phase and three phase induction motor is again classified into many types based on its construction and working. Single phase induction motor. A single phase induction motor is nothing but it is a type of electric motor that uses alternating current with a single phase. So it requires one power phase for its operation. So next we will learn about the construction of single phase induction motor. It consists of two main parts. But as one is stator and other one is rotor. Stator is nothing but by name itself it says it is a stationary component of the induction motor, and rotor is nothing but it is a rotatory part of the component of the induction motor. If we look at this picture uh, here, this outer part is the stator, and the teeth-like structures are called as slots. And the inner part here we can find as rotor. So the rotor has some slots here. They are called as rotor slots. Uh, if we look at this here, the single phase induction motor consists of one stationary winding, and again it is divided into two types. One is main winding and auxiliary winding. If we look at this picture over here, we can easily find which is main winding and which is auxiliary winding. This right one is main winding and the left one is auxiliary winding. They are both are perpendicular to each other, and the capacitor is placed to the in the auxiliary winding. So we will learn about the working of the single phase induction motor. If you look at this picture, this is a main winding. So when the electricity is passed to the main winding and also auxiliary winding, which results in the formation of magnetic field. So the magnetic field of the main winding and auxiliary windings are in opposite directions, like this. If the direction of the magnetic field of main winding is like this, in this direction, it is in opposite direction. The auxiliary I mean the magnetic field of the direction of the magnetic field of the auxiliary winding is opposite to the main winding. So when a rotor is placed between the windings, the rotor also rotates with respect to both the windings. So now applications of single phase induction motor. Single phase induction motor has very wide applications because of the low power and also low starting torque. So the applications are it is used in refrigerators, washing machines, and also pumps, and it is used in industrial machines and printers, copiers, and etc. Now we will learn about three-phase induction motor. A three-phase induction motor is a type of electric motor that also uses alternating current, just like single phase induction motor, but here with three phase. But in the case of single phase, it is with it uses alternating current with single phase. Here, the alternating current with three phase construction. So it also this three phase induction motor also has two main parts, that one is stator and one is rotator. If we look at this picture, we can find the parts of the three phase induction motor. There is a fan over here, there are two ends, and there is a stator, there is a rotor. uh, Stator is nothing but it is a stationary part also. You already know that. And yeah, the stationary part of the motor is known as stator, and slots are available in the inner portion of the stator, and three phase winding is placed in the slots. Windings are placed in either state or star or delta. Core of the stator is made of a laminated silicon steel. Lamination is done due to eddy current. To reduce eddy current. I mean to and to protect the stator frame is used, which is made up of cast iron. And rotor, shape of the rotor is cylindrical. Here we can see cylindrical, and these are there are parallel slots here. If we see this, there are parallel slots present in the of the outer portion of the at the outer portion of the rotor. Next, conductors are present in the slots of the rotor. If we see this purple balls here, these are conductors, and these are made up of copper, and this conductor of the rotor is connected with the end ring. Next, working. Yeah, we will see what is terminal box and fan. Fan is used for cooling, because as the rotor rotates, it produces so much temperature. So to cool it, we need a fan. And a terminal box, it provides three phase power supply to the electric to the motor. And working of the three phase induction motor, we supply three phase AC supply. We supply three phase to the stator winding, and a rotating magnetic field is established around the stator. Here the windings are displaced 120 degrees to each other. Here they here there is a suppose we think there is a winding here, and there is another winding here. So that there is a difference of 120 degrees between two windings. An EMF is induced in the conductor of the rotor from Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This is working principle of the this is working of the three phase induction motor and applications of three phase induction motor. So three phase induction motors are widely used in the industrial applications like fans, rolling mills, machine tools, and conveyor belts. So yeah, thank you.